This is just a quick video to show what you were supposed to do in class for HS Physics. First of all, you were asked to draw two arrows, a red one and a blue one. And then it asked you to move it around so that they were going to be ready to use for vector addition. And if you remember, that means I need to have a tip to tail. Now, one of the things about this is that we can calculate the resultant by making a parallelogram. So that means I need another red vector and another blue one. Now when you make your parallelogram, obviously the two blue sides have to be parallel and the two red sides are parallel. Because if you think about it, it doesn't really matter if I had to walk in the red direction, then the blue, or if I walked in the blue direction, then the red, I'll get to the same point. And if we're going to calculate the total displacement or the total distance I traveled, then I'm just going to be able to use the diagonal. That yellow diagonal there now is the total distance I would have traveled. So what you were asked to do was draw the two vectors, a red and a blue one, in such a way we can add them, make your parallelogram, and then take a ruler and measure how far you have for the diagonal. I can't seem to rotate my ruler. Anyway, once you've taken those, all you had to do was get the measurements. So I'm just going to make some up right now. Let's say that I had 8.5 here and 6.3 centimeters. And remember, we were doing this really roughly. You could have had a piece of paper with more or less equal lines on there you pretended was a ruler, and then measure that long diagonal. In this case, let's say it was 11.6 centimeters. Now that is what you needed to include as a photo for the assignment for HS Physics.